Alright, here's a lesson on how to solder 12 gauge wire using just rosin core solder, no flux. You see 12 gauge on that wire right there. Alright, here we go. Get the iron out, clean that tip off, apply some solder to the iron tip for heat transfer to the part, and tighten up this wire bundle. I'll show you that, show you it's not already soldered. You can see that wire bundle breaks apart. Okay, not soldered already. Tighten that right back up. Let's get the soldering. And we're done. See there, nice and soldered. No flux required.